You see me? Me can't take at the end them man vessel a bus. When me there grow up, me did black and blood clot ugly. My slippers they have couple nail in it. So girl them said me never used to be it, but me used to be it, but you did the extra black. Cause I was Cuban, but when I come to Jamaica I was in the sun a lot. So me never used to get no edge, me not lie to no. Me not lie to no, so me not really used to it and my body not really build feet yet. Cause me too ticklish. So, me not used to it yet. Yeah. Me not used to it yet. So, me kinda a girl can suck me out for 5 minutes. Depends how she do it. I will come. But once you touch me nipple, when me under NEC, you dead. Listen to me. When me I drink NEC, if me go 4 cup of NEC, you're dead. If me go 4 cup of NEC for a night, you're dead. Brother, hear me I say, if me ever drink 4 cup of NEC, you're dead. If me drink 4 cup of NEC, you're dead. You see, when me drunk, me fuck everywhere. Cause me a big man. Me no little boy. And me old no little. Me no afraid to pop it out. When me drunk, me fuck the girl anywhere. And if me drunk and me and you go home, you have to give me some heads. So me no fall asleep behind the steering. You have to keep me active. Me a press gas, me a press brake, me a press gas, me a press. When it normally take all with 30 minutes to reach home, me take all an hour blood clot 30 minutes. Because of brace on gas. Brace on gas. We all pull over on the blood clot highway because if me feel like the vessel and bus. I'm a top of me I'm dead for all blood clot 15 blood clot minutes. And we set a boom on the road again and my man suck up my soul and pity out the door. And we set some mama attack the blood clot. Like I just snap up blood clot mama body. Alright, mama give me some head, me just a finger blood clot. Mama come see me now. Mama just a come. I'ma move your bum buckle out. I'm about make she drive. What why she a drive? No, you try. Hey, I'm gonna run with me now. You run with me now. Don't run with me now, Abba. Don't run with me. Why should we drive? Oh, time jump, time the fool. I thought with uno go road, go junk, Till you don't know yourself. You think me a blood clot idiot? I will never go road go jump till me don't know if you go on my blood clot steering and drive home. Me jump to a point where me go kill him with some fuck. And I go chat fuckery. If you reach the point of a junk, tell me a stagger in your hole. How am I done fuck you dead? Some blood clot story start. Me not jump to the point where me can't grow my blood clot steering to drive. After me no blood clot, damn. If you go blood clot junk, well, me don't know myself. No, sir, I'm not an idiot. Me not so careless. No, I'm not a careless person, Aber. I'm not that type of careless person. Aber, I'm not